If you entered a room in the wrong manner, you could be first guy in and you could be shot.
Rather than make mistakes out in the field, they come to here at Facility X. They get their training.
I'm like, we should rehearse this because it's a training facility for federal and police SWAT teams, and we help get them prepared.
What does a training day look like?
The agents would typically get here at around 8 a.m. The instructor would go over the scenarios that they're going to run. They would run through the structure. Afterwards, they would debrief, go over what they did right, what they did wrong, how they can improve.
Safety is always paramount, and trying to give the best evaluations. A lot of the times we would have to put ourselves in a position to where, not get shot with a UTM round that's going out. The other downfall is, you're trying to watch everybody but write things down on a notebook. So we wanted to find a system that could capture in real time, be recorded so we can utilize it within a debrief. We found the solution through Dave, our tech guy. Said, hey, I found this system called Coram, and it solved all of the failures and all of the stuff that we were looking to change. My name is Drew Cimonetti. I'm an owner here at Facility X, currently a police officer, and I run all the training. Prior to implementing the system, it was GoPros. And so now trying to pull up the footage afterwards, we were able to do that over the course of several days. When we started figuring out the capabilities of Coram's AI, it really helped us to raise the bar.
They can spend more time doing their instructing and less time sitting at the computer trying to sift through footage. When the instructors are wanting to pull footage, they can just type in natural language search. I just type in person in tactical gear within the last 3 hours. And then if they wanted to track a specific agent, we have them tagged with colors. We can journey path it and they get one video at the end of the run. A big thing that I like is the Coram that we bought a year ago isn't the Coram of today, because every month new features are dropping. It improves our workflow.
Coram is one of the best analytical visual tools I've ever seen, and it's provided this place it separates us from everything in the country. Without Coram, we just have a wood structure. Cameras are a huge part of the success.
Biggest thing that surprised me is I am not a tech guy. In fact, I can use it on my own. I don't have to call an IT guy to work it every time I need something done.
Would you recommend Coram to others?
I already have. I've already done 1 million recommendations, so yes.
What Coram means to us and how it's impacted us is it's changed the game for training and raised the bar. It's pretty much the bread and butter of it.